We got Curt's car back from Race Tactics. Kerry did an amazing job with the wiring on it. If you kind of look in here, you can see we're in current final assembly stage right now, so everything's a little bit construed, but you can just look how nice all the wiring is. We got the coils, they're numbered and labeled on all the wiring. All the wiring is tucked in super nice. Everything's gonna be very clean on this setup. We are in final assembly stage on this car, so it's not gonna be much longer before Curt's car is making some jam on the dyno. But I wanted to kind of showcase our partners over at MPR right now, because this is an MPR racing engine here, and we're going to take you over here and show you a few more MPR racing engines that we're unboxing today. What's up, Timmy? So you saw this one on last week's Jam Factory episode. This is my motor for the Jam Maker, and this is also an MPR motor, very similar build to Curt's motor. We got turbo cams, ported heads, billet rods, diamond pistons. We got a Holley Sniper intake with a billet lid from JC Customs, and of course we blacked everything out to make it nice and clean. And then we've also got this crate just showed up a few days ago from MPR, and this is Gary's 1400R motor, and it is also going to be blacked out in the front. So let's see if I can get the plastic off of it. Maybe. Slowly but surely we get it off here. Timmy, you're supposed to take it off so it looks real easy for me to take it off whenever. So I just lift it off.
I didn't do the proper prep.
There we go. There we go. There it is. Got the front cover all blacked out on there. Everything looked nice. We'll have some, I think we might even do black coil covers on this one. Just to keep with the blacked out theme. That's Gary's motor. That's the next 1400R to be coming out soon. And then we also have another fully built MPR motor here for Ezra's 2018 GT, which we are starting on the turbo kit next week. That's a fully sleeve built 2018 Gen 3 Coyote motor. It's like Christmas opening up all these packages. I'm not going to spend the time pulling all that one off. Well, maybe I will. Gotta go on the back side. This guy all around here. We got another MPR motor over there, the Tin Man. We got an MPR motor in that car. Doing a few changes to that, taking some more weight out of it, getting him ready for racing this weekend. Oh man, Tim's gonna have to start making different oil caps for the Gen 3 motors. Let's see, we got, take a peek at Ezra's 2018. We've got a 10R80 from Brent LaSala. Got a few upgrades to the 10R80 there so it can hold a little more power. See if we can put about 1200 through that one, maybe a little bit more. And we got Ezra's car. That motor is getting ready to go in here. So pretty soon there'll be motor, transmission, and a whole turbo kit. We're gonna make some jam, see if we can run a good time with that 10R80. We got the 1400R here, getting a few things updated. We're going to change the rear gear on it. Johnny's changing the fluids, getting it prepped to go to the track next week. See if we can crack that 8. We got another customer's 1200R in for a few updates. And then you saw Curtis's car earlier, just back from Race Tactics. We got the Jam Maker back from paint a couple days ago. We haven't started assembling it yet, but we can check out the engine bay and you can see now everything's all blacked out. We got the holes filled in. Everything came out really nice. We also have the motor in Ezra's car now. You saw a few minutes ago it wasn't there, and just like that, it's in the car. It's great. We work really fast. Now we get a shot of the air compressor set up in Curtis's car. It's a pretty trick little deal there. That's so we don't have to run CO2. Onboard air. Fancy. Yep, all blacked out now. No more Ford half brown, half black paint. It's got some water spots and some dust on it and stuff, but we got the firewall filled in. All the unnecessary holes are filled in. So there's gonna be a whole bunch of cool stuff here and over here. Really cool thing right here. Very soon. So we're excited about that. We're looking to make this debut at Streetcar Takeover in Indy. Was it like next month in late July? So we should have a lot of cool cars out for that event. Also hoping to get Ezra's 10R80 car done for that, which I just mentioned. And Jeremy has not started fab quite yet on this, but coming soon. 10R80 land. We're excited about this one. We want to get our hands on one for a while, so pretty jacked. That's about all we got going on this week.